Hello everyone, Dave Cook with Franco Finishes. We're doing a wallpaper install today. So this is a Seabrook double roll. There's the pattern information. This was a grasscloth installation in a powder room. Sink came out. They were doing some work on that. So we were able to put this up. Went up really well. This was a paste the wall application. So sometimes those are easier, sometimes those get trickier. One thing we found after doing our third piece was that it kept bubbling, so it kept wanting to expand, and it wasn't doing very well as far as laying down flat. So after that, we actually just went ahead and got the paper wet. We just got it real light. It's a sponge. Just got a little bit of water on there. Let it sit for a minute to let it relax, and then once we put those up, it was perfect. So there's this wallpaper for you. If you have any questions about wallpaper installation in your home, give us a call to Franco Finishes. We're here to help you love the home you live in. Thanks.